Professor Tom, this is Elena in her kitchen. So today I am making my chicken devian and I will show you everything that you need. You need 2 pots, you need a bowl, you need a casserole dish, a strainer, cutting board, a knife, and serving spoon. And that is everything that you need. Okay, the items needed is boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs, whichever you prefer. Broccoli, either cuts or florets. I prefer florets. I use 2 different kind of cheeses, which is the Fiesta blend and mozzarella. I also use rice, instant rice, make things a little easier. Cream of mushroom, or cream of chicken, either one, doesn't matter. It's just based on your taste. Mayo and breadcrumbs. And that is everything that you need to make chicken devian. Okay, the first thing that you definitely always want to remember when cooking is wash your hands, which I have already done. The next thing that you need to do is take that pot that I was telling you about and boil the chicken and the broccoli. From there, after everything is boiled, you will need the cutting board to cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces like this. And I take it after it's done cooking and all that good stuff, and I put it in this bowl. And from there, I slowly transfer each of the ingredients in here a little bit at a time. That way I can mix everything easily in this casserole dish. And I do it this way because I do not want all the yummy good stuff to be stuck in this bowl without getting it transferred to this dish. So here's what I do. Pour a little bit at a time. And then mix, mix, mix. Take a little bit of mayo. That in there too. And I continue mixing. Mix it all up really good. And then I continue this process until all the ingredients are covered in yummy goodness. After everything is mixed, you would want to put lots and lots of cheese in the mixture, which I have already done and mixed off camera, but you want to put as much cheese as your heart contents and mix, 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 mix. Mix it very good. And then from there, you want to smooth out everything. Get a nice smooth top. That way, when everything is smoothed out, we can put the breadcrumbs on top. But before I do that, I do something else first. I top it with even more cheese. So that's what I'm going to do now. Top it with yummy goodness. Pause. Okay, this is what it looks like after you put the cheese on top. Yummy, yum, yum. After, you would put breadcrumbs. You want to make sure that when you do the breadcrumbs not to overdo the breadcrumbs, because if you do, then you'll bite into dry crumbs when you cook it. And then you make sure that you spread it around evenly before you put it in the oven. Okay, so this is the finished product after all the breadcrumbs are on and smoothed out and everything. From here, you would like to put it in the oven that I have already preheated to 325. You put it in for about 30 minutes, but the last 2 minutes I put it on boiled so that I can make sure the breadcrumbs are nice and crispy. The last couple minutes before the casserole is done, you will have to boil water. And when the water is boiling, you put this nifty little bag of rice in the boiling water and cook for about 8 minutes. Okay, this is the end product. From here, you take the rice that I had told you to cook and you put some on a plate, just like that. And then from there, you get to the really good stuff. And you cut you however big of a slice you want. And you put it on top. And enjoy. So here we go. It can get a little messy, so fair warning. Just make sure that you don't spill anything out of there. Look at all that. And if you want, you can use a little bit of salt and pepper to taste and enjoy. And there you go. My chicken devian.